All right, today we're going to do a shine, and you're going to see an intermediate advanced version of it, and we're also going to do a more beginner version of it, so you can see how you can make shines simpler or harder depending on your level. We're going to take a basic, but we're going to tap on 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You want to use a little bit of hip here, so you're going to straighten your right leg and push your right hip back on 7. We're going to lift and drop our shoulders as we cross our right foot. 1, 2, and we're going to repeat 3, 4 with a Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. So for that body movement, you want to start by thinking of taking your shoulders up and back, and then you want to take advantage of drawing your shoulders back, feeling your shoulder blades start to pinch together. Take your chest forward at the same time. So that would be your initial practice for it. The bottom half of your body is going to be bending and straightening, and you really want to feel your weight spreading out through the bottoms of your feet so that you're nice and balanced and your knees are bending and straightening. Doesn't look like much when you just bend and straighten your knees, but it looks better when you put it all together. So now we start by lifting the shoulders up. We take the chest forward. As we bend the knees, we're going to allow our chest to fall forward, round the back, and pull yourself up as you straighten the legs. Again, shoulders back, chest forward. Drop the chest, bend the knees, lift and round the back, and straighten. A little faster we go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Good. You want to try not to get too much neck and head action into it. If it moves a little bit, just kind of naturally, that's fine. But you don't want to initiate anything from the neck or the chin. All right, so let's go back to our footwork. We start our basic. 1, 2, 3, tapping on 7, 5, 6, 7. We cross starting with our shoulders lifting. 1, 2, 3, Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here, we're going to take what I call a side basic turn because our footwork is like a side basic. So we step together on 1, we prep on 2, and we're prepping our torso here. So arms stay in front of the body. You want to think of moving your whole chest, your whole torso, rotating to the left a little bit. Arms stay in front of the body. Bring your legs together and spot as you turn on that 3. So again, we step together 1, twist 2, turn 3, step on 5. And we're going to take a sweep from here. So we're actually going to step a little bit earlier on and we're going to stop just shy of the front of the room. We've done this in a couple of other videos, but if this is your first time seeing it, not to worry. So again, we'll take our turn. We'll stop slightly shy of the front, so a little more than 3/4 of a turn. We prep 1, 2, 3, and I want to make sure I soften my left knee here for balance because I'm going to sweep my right foot out. 5, basic, 6, 7. So the sweep will happen on 5. Big toe on your right foot stays on the floor. Lock that knee out so that you have a nice and long leg as we sweep. Go back, 6, 7. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We turn. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. When you take your sweep, you want to make sure that your leg goes forward first and then out so it looks like a bigger sweep as opposed to starting with your leg out to the side and just brushing it back. All right, let's try from the top. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3. We tap on 7 and we drop 2, Susie Q. 5, 6, turning. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, so from here, you just took your sweep, 6, 7. You're going to bring your knee up, more or less parallel to the floor. Your goal is to get your ankle to your knee. So you don't want to have your foot out somewhere random. You want to glue that ankle to your knee, toes pointing down to the floor. As you do that, you're going to take your left hand, fingers together, and you're going to twist to your right so you can slap with your knee with your left hand. That's going to happen on 1. So we take our 6, 7, slapping up, 1. We're going to step down 2, crossing our arms in front of us. we're going to slide to our left, arms out, 3. Your choice on styling here. So if you are feeling like you want to have a little bit of a softer styling, take the arms out with fingers out to the sides at the end. That's fine. If you're feeling like you want to do something more sharp, then keep your fingers together to look stronger and sharper. You're welcome to do that as well, whatever you prefer. All right, let's try that again. So we slap on 1, we come down 2. As we come down, we're going to start to cross, and we open out 3. I'll toggle between the different styles so you can see both. Again, 1, 2, 3. It's important to prep on that too, so you have somewhere to go. If you're still trying to prepare as you slide, you won't get that nice sharp extension of the arms, regardless of which styling you're doing. Okay, let's try it from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Susie Q. 5, 6, we turn. 1, 2, and sweep. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Okay, we didn't do 5, 6, 7 yet. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Stop on 3. Nice. Okay, from here, you're going to turn a quarter, and you're going to bring the right hand over your head. You can, again, style softer using the middle finger, or you can keep the fingers connected. So as we turn, we go 1. We're going to take a side basic to our left, 2. And we're going to head roll to the front, 3. Weight on the right foot. And sorry, that was actually 5, 6, 7. So let's go from 1, 2, 3. So 1 is when we slap our knee. 2 is when we prepare, bringing the right foot down. We slide 3. We comb over the head and turn 5. Side basic to the left, 6. Head roll to the right foot and the front, 7. Again, just that bar. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So from this 7 here, we're going to Susie Q 3 times. So Susie Q plus to our right on 1, 2, 3, 4, dropping on 5, crossing on 7 with the right foot. Again, so we're here on our right, we just head rolled 7, we cross the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. We're going to take a hook, crossing 1 and 2, looking over our right shoulder, and back on 3. On that tap on 2, your choice, you can either go to your heel or to your toe. If you're wearing heels and you go to the heel, make sure not to go too far down into that heel or you will slide a little bit. All right, let's try that again from our Susie Q plus. So we just head rolled 7, we cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1 and 2, 3. Let's combine the 2 bars. We're going to start from here. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1 and 2, 3. Nice. Again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1 and 2, 3. Okay, let's try it from the top once before we move on. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1 and 2, 3. Let's finish that bar. So we went 1 and 2, 3. We're going to take a syncopation, 5 and 6 and 7 with our right foot. Just that bar, crossing the left foot, 1 and 2, 3, 5 and 6 and 7. So for the syncopated Susie Q, try to stay on the balls of your feet so you can move a lot quicker. And you only need to go to a cross and then to the other side of your stabilizing or barely moving leg. So that back foot is barely going to move, and you only need to think about going across that foot and then to the other side. So it's not a lot of space, and you don't need to take really big steps. That will make you slower. So just think about being really precise and clear that you're crossing the leg and then going to the other side, but you don't need to go more than that. Okay, from our snap on 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1 and 2, 3, 5 and 6 and 7. Last part of our shines today, we'll take it from our syncopation. So starting on our right foot, we cross 5 and 6 and 7. We're going to cross again with the left. 1, 2, tap, 3. So extend the left and no weight on the left foot because it's a tap. We're going to switch, left tap, right tap. So that's just the footwork. Again, from the syncopation, we cross the right, 5 and 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5 and 7. So you'll notice when we cross 1, 2, 3, we're going to keep our chest slightly angled to our right side as we tap. Now as we step tap, we're going to switch to the left side, to the right side. To finish, we're going to tap 1, go forward, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's do just the footwork one more time from the syncopation on 5 with the right foot. 1, 2, here we go. 5 and 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5 and 7. Tap 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So go ahead and rewind if you want. Practice that part without the body movement as much as you need. And then for the body movement, after we take our step taps, here we're going to take our chest shrugs, which we did in the beginning. So as you transition to each side, you're going to lift and lower the chest and drop. Your knee won't bend so much here because we are rotating instead of staying in place. So again, from our step tap, and we go switch, switch, tap 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So again, from 5 and 6 and 7, adding the body movement. 1, 2, here we go. 5 and 6 and 7. Cross 2, tap, and switch, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, basic and slow. First, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. And step, prep and turn, sweep, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1 and 2, 3, 5 and 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.